Open any browser and enter tosap.co in the address bar, then press Enter. The download of a zip file will begin automatically. Once the download is complete, click Show in Finder. Double-click the downloaded zip file to extract its contents. Move the MacOS file to the Applications folder. Open the Applications folder and double-click MacOS. A dialog box will appear. Click the Done button. Click the Apple icon in the top left corner and select System Settings. Navigate to Privacy and Security, scroll to the bottom, and click Open anyway. When a warning dialog appears, click Open. Anyway to proceed. The TOS app will launch and ask for contact permissions. Click Allow on the dialog. When prompted for keystroke receiving input monitoring permission, click Open System Settings, enable the permission for MacOS, and click Quit and Reopen on the dialog. Enter the activation code you received from TheOneSpy via email and click the Activate button. The app will prompt for several permissions. Click Allow for each permission dialog that appears. Tap on Request Camera Permission and then click the Next button. Click on Request Microphone Permission, followed by the Next button. Continue by clicking Next and then click Start Monitoring. The app will ask for screen recording permission. Click Open System Settings from the dialog and enable the permission for MacOS. Then click Quit and Reopen. Open Privacy and Security in System Settings and verify that the following permissions are enabled for MacOS: Location Services, Contacts, Full Disk Access, Accessibility, Camera, Microphone, Input Monitoring, Screen Recording. If any of these are not enabled, turn them on and click Quit and Reopen from the dialog. Open the Downloads folder in Finder and move the downloaded file to the bin. Right-click the bin icon in the dock and select Empty Bin to permanently delete the downloaded file. TOS app has been installed successfully. Restart your Mac to complete the setup. Once the installation process is completed, you can monitor device data by visiting https://console.theonespy.com on any browser.